I
Oh,
challenge you
you
to a
have.
duel.
Which class did you pick?
I picked the everyman class, the guy with the shield.
There's a scout, a sniper, a guy with a polearm, and a knight. Which one of this is the everyman?
It's the man
I
at
mean
the arm man or whatever.
Oh, that's not the everyman. That's scout. Okay, I'll pick the slow knight.
Start the game.
I did. Start automatically. You've been challenged. Accept challenge.
The duel will
Okay.
begin in three, two, one. Fight.
Fight. Fight. Is it German or what? Oh yeah.
Did you
Why the
lose?
fuck do I have a shield?
Did you lose
Yeah, I
health?
lost. Yeah, I did. Finally. Okay.
Oh, crap.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
go.
Hold on, kill me,
Yeah.
kill me because I have to go
Yeah.
get my stupid dog.
Uh, what? Yo, yo. Um, you're welcome.
Okay,
Let's go.
you're welcome to
Okay,
dog.
you're here. Oh, of course I'm stuck with the wall to the right, to my right side, and I'm supposed to hit you from the left, but I can't because it's only a second hit
Holy crap!
combo.
Ah. Oh. Oh dear.
What?
I don't have my shield.
You don't have it. I neither do I. Yup. Yup. Man, those sounds. Focus my arm, my arm. I'm like a Luke Skywalker now.
I cut off your arm. That is so funny. Ah, that was funny amputation. Ow.
Okay, come near. Oh, this game can actually be fun. When it, well, what? What? Where's your head, man?
In
Where's your
my,
head
on
at?
my screen, it doesn't
Where's
say
your
I.
head?
It doesn't say I decapitated.
No? Okay. Can I change my loadout? Yeah, I want to be the vanguard.
Oh
Okay, so
crap! You
now
have
I
a
have a shield and
spiked
I can
mate.
and I will like stab you with it. I will think that I'm using a spear and will try to stab you with a mace. 'Cause I'm stupid like that.
Oh.
Oh, oh, I can. Can you like? Oh,
The molten lava. Oh,
what's wrong with the lava?
I don't know. Where did this? Oh my.
Huh? Да, мужики валяются. Yeah, I'm gonna throw pot at you. The smoke pot. Oh, where are you running to? Where's you running to? I have a scimitar. I'm a fucking warlock. Where's my freaking horse? Where's my horse? I want my horse. Where's my pony? Astrology is magic. Come on. Why does he try to stab with a fucking scimitar? Yeah. Rematch. Change loadout. I wanna be the archer. I wanna be the archer. Wada! Wada! He gets blocked with a bow. Okay. Okay, let's fight. Okay. Yeah, bring your fist to a bow fight. So. So. Broad dagger. Short sword. Of course, the short sword is better than the broad dagger. Wait. I'm in the menu. I can't. Oh, like this. Okay. I'm not.
No, it cannot be like Dynasty Warriors 6 all over again.
Yeah. Wait. You used to be a chivalry player, then you took an arrow to the knee. Yeah, I made the joke. And I'm just trying to Did I hit your knee?
I cut your arm off.
Eyeball?
No, I cut your arm.
Arm?
Your arm.
Arm. You're welcome. I just kicked
Ah!
Yes, an arrow to the knee! Yeah! I won the game! I won the fucking game! Wait. And I'll be Joe Yu now. Yeah, I'll be Joe Yuing you. Where's my Sao Sao?
Cow.
I want my Sao Sao! Where's my lollipop? Yeah! Give me my lolly! You Sao Sao! You villain! Enemy of justice! Enemy of justice! Oh no. You justice of the enemy.
What the?
Wait.
Why do I have this butter knife? Oh yeah, it's gonna give me a butter knife.
Oh, I can't. Butter knives are good. He uses the staff in a peculiar fashion. Ah, this guy is no Joe-Yu. Yeah, I can run away. Can you, like, be a dragon knight and, like, jump on people? Yeah. Okay, I'll go. Be right back. Go lava. Yeah! Yeah, this is great. Change loadout. I'm gonna try different classes. You're still press N.
Hey,
Long
hold
sword. Flail, heavy flail. Is there an epic flail? Oh, warhammer or hammer or whatever. Why am I using this stuff?
You only do it whenever
The knife.
after you die.
What? I don't want to die. You're trying to mold my corpse or what? And why is the floor filled with our corpses? Oh yeah, he tried to stab you with a hammer. Why the fuck does he try to use the hammer like a spear? All the weapons have the same fucking animation. Oh, and the sounds. The sounds are just like... grunting loser. Killing my teapot.
Oh my god. I'm crying myself to tears.
Same here. I have the hammer. Let the hammer fall. Let the hammer fall. Let the hammer fall. That's a great pose. Okay, let's try a new map.
Oh, but this arena is.
Let's just
I love
like.
this
Oh,
arena.
I
It's
can
so
use
simple.
the game. You mean?
The arena, like this map.
Oh, okay. Start,
Do-do-do.
start. Challenge, challenge. I'm challenge you. What? I my menu open. What do I? Can you accept the challenge?
It says we're still fighting each other.
Oh yes, we are. Спасибо. Oh my head. Rematch. Is that a fucking way to hold a spear? My chow won't be proud. I fight in the name of justice, oh enemy of justice. Yeah, I'm a dragoon. No, I can't block. Dragoons don't block. Real men don't block. Real men kill you with a spear of justice in the name of pizza. Let the four elements of earth, wind, fire, air, and the fifth element of pizza come together to kill the evil net.
Oh.
And I see my dead body staying around here. E- What?
Oh my god.
Okay, another attempt at dragooning. So I should jump and trust. And no, it didn't work. You can't like hold your attack and prepare it. You must hit immediately.
Oh, oh yeah.
I like the spear because it's the weapon of justice. Other weapons are not of justice. The not groovy. I'm awaiting opponent and go flight to the level. No, 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 I'm surfing the lava. Na, 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 it's so much fun. Na, 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 na,
It is pending. Pending. It's
Set
pending.
awaiting opponent. Oh, we've been challenged. I can accept. Can I? Challenge. Awaiting challenge. Oh, the duel begin finally. Fight. Justice.
Oh my god, you took half of my
Yeah.
health away.
Because I'm fighting in the name of justice and pizza. Oh wait. Look up.
What?
Just look up. Do you see what I see? There's
What?
like a pair of legs. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh crap, you better not throw that hatchet on me, door.
Oh. Can I help the poor man who's stuck in the wall? Apparently I can't.
Oh crap, you have a tomahawk.
We're- Um, and guard there. Oh, the spear hits from left to right. It can't hit from right to left. So the direction you're hitting is dependent on your weapon type. That's great. Pending challenge. You've been challenged. Accept and pending. Oh, I have a birdish.
I am Shu
I'm
Huang.
very, and I'm
I'm
very Russian.
I am
I'm a boyar.
I'm a Shu
My name
Huang.
is Boris. Uh, yeah.
That's a funny stab
I,
animation.
yeah, we should stab each other with axes. Да. Бжух, 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 именно. What was that? It wasn't funny.
How much health did you lose?
Um, like a quarter.
Wow, that does a lot of damage.
What? And you killed me in one fucking strike. Lucky strike.
This is the Lubu class. The Libu class. Libu. Libu.
Yeah, which class do you mean? Oh yeah, you
Then,
can pass through my phone. Oh, you can! No! I didn't expect that. That's unfair. I threw pot. You must smoke.
No!
Change loadout. Can I change loadout? Man, let's really try a different map.
It looks like you're trying to prod someone.
Yeah. Wait. I want. I can't get out of the menu. Okay, I'm here. Oh, you foe. Are you a foe? Oh, now I have a shitty duel kill. I don't really have many gigabytes left to record. I don't want all my videos end up on the same map. Let's at least try another one. Yeah. You smashed my head with a bludgeon. Okay, that's